Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's Mystery Monday, we have a few anime card booster packs, a couple of Wafer cards, and a couple of holographic sticker packs. Okay, so I think we'll start with these My Hero Academia holographic sticker packs. Collect all 60, 5 holographic stickers inside. So there's 5 in here and there's 60 that you could possibly get. Wow, these are really protected. Okay. Nothing here. Here's our first holographic sticker. This is Ectoplasm. Very cool. Second sticker. Rikido Sato. Oh wow, okay, so they're all right here. Let's just get rid of this cardboard. Okay, so our second sticker is Rikido Sato. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Third one is All Might. I'm so excited that we got All Might. Ah, he's my favorite. Eraserhead. Just like a random fact, but Eraserhead is actually a Scorpio, and I'm a Scorpio. So that is so cool. Wow, these are really impressive. So here are our first 5. Okay, here we go, Cementos. He must have been stuck behind this one. I'm really happy about these two. And now I'm excited to see who else we get. We have a Nomu. Oh no, I don't like the Nomu at all. This is a really cool looking sticker though. Then we have here another Rikido Sato, but this is in his school uniform. Yes! We got Minoru Mineta. Mineta is one of my favorite. He's just so funny and so cute. Kurogiri. Very cool looking card. Another Mineta. And this time in his school uniform. So, I would have to say the first pack is my favorite since we got All Might and Eraserhead. But these were really cool too. And I'm glad we got both of the Minetas. Wow, this is really nice. I wish I would have gotten more. Now I know if I see them again, I will pick up some more. I just wanted to say that I purchased these at the mall. If I find a link for them, I'll leave it in the description. They were about $6, so not bad at all. All of these we purchased at Frankincense Collectible. I'll leave a link for their website in the description as well. They were all purchased from different stalls and they were all just a few dollars. Some of them were about 3 for $10 and yeah, all pretty affordable. I think we should start with the Wafer cards. So we have 2 Wafer cards here. Basically, there's a Wafer cookie inside each one of these, and then you get 2 mystery cards, which are collectible. And you can get like special cards with, this one I think says that it'll have like a glitter card or a gold card. This one might have like a metallic or holographic card. And I believe you get 2 cards in each one, and there's different ones you can collect. This is for the anime, The Time I Got Reincarnated as Slime, and this is for Jujutsu Kaisen. There's some more information here in the back. Unfortunately, I cannot read Japanese, but if you can, maybe you can help us out in the comments and let us all know what these say. Okay, so I think I will be opening the Jujutsu Kaisen pack first. Okay, so that gave me a little trouble, but we've got it open. And as soon as it opened up, this is the first thing I smelled, and it smells so good, exactly like vanilla. Here are the cards at the bottom. We'll just slide those out. We'll leave the card here. Already I can see that we've got Gojo, and he's got gold accents, so actually I believe this is rare. I'll have to look it up, But I was trying to translate this pack using my phone, the Google Translate earlier, and I think I read that the gold flakings on it would be rare, or maybe it meant that they all had gold. Let's open it up and check it out. Okay, so there was only one card in the pack, and it was Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen, and I believe it does mean that it's rare, that it is gold. I will look it up. If you guys don't have any information, just comment down below. But wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, the detail on this is amazing, and the purple and gold looks so good together. I am so happy about this. He's one of my favorite characters. I actually love all the characters in this anime. It's a really great anime. Okay, so I moved the wafer to the side. I'm not gonna try it because it looks like just a normal vanilla wafer, and I'm not a huge fan. The next pack we're gonna open is the Time I Got Reincarnated as Slime. I actually have not had time to watch this anime yet, but my twin sister Jerry is a huge fan. She says it's really cute and really fun, and she really enjoyed it. So hopefully I'll know who's in here. If not, she can help me. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so I do not know who this character is at all. It says here Diablo. Maybe Jerry knows who he is. I'm pretty sure she does, who this character is. And I'm sure she'll be very excited for this. But this does look cool. And I don't see any sort of like metallic or gold on this one. This seems a little gold, but not much. So I'm not sure if this is a special card. But yeah, if you have any information on this, comment down below, or I will look it up and make a post for you guys. But yeah, this looks really cool. Let's open it to get a better look. Once the packaging is off, the clear packaging, he actually looks so much cooler. This is really nice, and the colors are really beautiful. So yeah, I'm happy about both of these. I would definitely recommend picking up a pack of these. I'd probably get another pack of the Jujutsu Kaisen, see if there are any other animes I'm interested in. Next, I think we should open up these. Well, these are our last items, so yeah, we'll open these up next. So these are anime card booster packs. You would need to purchase first a starter deck, like a starter card set of each one of these games. I think these are the same game and this is the separate one. And yeah, so these are basically just booster packs. So you couldn't play the entire game with just these cards. You would have to purchase first a trial deck, and then this would basically just boost your pack, kind of like Pokemon cards. So we have here Mahia Record and a Data Live pack. I think we should start with the Data Live pack. So I went ahead and opened all of these in the back here so that they would be easier to pull out. Okay, so that still wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. First card we have here. I'll get all of you if you agree to grant me one request unconditionally. Exchanging conditions, Origami. Origami is probably my least favorite Data Live character, but this is still a pretty cool card. Then we have here, could it be that you're scared, Shido? This is a Words of Bravado Kotori. I love Kotori. I think she's so cute. She's so sassy and funny. Now we have a choosing a swimsuit Yoshino. Yoshino is probably the cutest Data Live character. This card is called Spirit Barrier Toka. This is absolutely beautiful. Toka is my personal favorite. What a beautiful card. Here we have another Kotori. I think my twin sister Jerry's gonna love this card. This one is called Under the Azure Skies Kotori. This is Basic Realizer, Origami Identifying AST Origami Tobichi. Perform the following action 3 times. So yeah, like I said, these are for the card game, and these cards would just boost your pack, just like extra fun, cool cards. Ooh, this one's a little like holographic. This is so cool. This is another Kotori. It says To Save Spirits Kotori. Very cool. Our last card in this pile is, oh Shido, what is this? Delicious Date. And this is Toka, I believe, from like her first date when she had all those snacks. This is so cute. This is probably my favorite just because it reminds me of that episode, and I love that so much. Okay, so these are all of the cards in our first Data Life pack. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure we only got one Data Life pack. Now I regret not getting more. Maybe if I go again I can pick up some more. But yeah, these were all the cards in the pack. I'm really happy with them. They're all cute and really interesting. Now we'll be opening one of the Mahia record cards. I think we should start with this one. And this pack is just so beautiful. I love the details. I'm really excited to see what we get in this pack. First card we have here, Heartfelt Thanks, Sana. How cute is this? This is so beautiful. Next card, Sudden Attack, Alina. That is adorable. Then we've got East Territory, Felicia. We have got a Precise Advice, Momoko, magic card. We have A World with Just Me, Sana. Mightiest Magical Girl, Suruno. This is a Magic and Flame card. Oh my gosh, I'm trying not to scream. This is so beautiful. This is the holographic card we've got in this deck, and this is called Frolicking Iroh. It's a magic and cooking one. How beautiful is this? Yes, he was there during the friendship, ending staircase incident 2. Wow, I am so happy with this. Beautiful. Okay, last card we have here. This is really cute. This is the reason for becoming a magical girl. So yeah, I'm really happy with this deck. They're all beautiful. I'm really happy with the special card we got. And now I'm really excited to open the next pack. Last pack we have here, the Mahi record one. This is absolutely beautiful. Yes, I picked this one up because it's pink. And I'm really excited to see what we've got. Alright, so our first card is a Konami Haruna, and this is a Magic and Heal card. Very beautiful. Next we have Felicia Mitsuki, Magic Attack. We have an, oh my goodness, this is just too cute. Emery Kisaki, Magic Support. Oh, to be a magical girl. Young magical girl, Yuma, Magic and Heal. I just don't know what's cuter. It's like they get cuter and cuter. What is this? This is, I want to be able to protect her. So this is like a special type of card where you put 2 cards down from the top of your deck, and yeah, you just follow the instructions there. This game seems really excited. I would love to play this, and I'm sure my sister would play with me. Oh, this is cute. What is this? This is a Memories from the Farm. Another one of these like special move type cards. So cute. It's a little cow. Jerry's gonna die for this. She loves cow theme anything. And here's our special card. This is a Kokoro Owani Magic Defense card, and this is so pretty with the purple, and it almost looks glittery. Very cute. Last card we have here. Aw. This is Those Days Are Gone. This photo is from a time when we were loved by someone. Well, anyways, I'm happy with all of these. This is our, oh no, here we go. We'll put our special card up on top. And here she is. Okay, so that's it for today's Mystery Monday. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.